Hey guys, we received this heavy duty folding shopping cart from Tech for test and try. It's a waterproof liner as well with a 360-degree swivel wheels and a collapsible grocery cart for easy transport. So let me just take out, need some assembly especially for the wheels, and then we can just take out anything. The good thing about this is a folding structure, so you can easily fold and store in a corner, and you can just use it whenever you want to. See, you can just open this, and then this have a nice space in the back as well as in the main unit. So the wheels and all the accessories are provided, so that I can just take out and start assembling this. So this is really helpful for taking on the shopping or moving boxes or taking out some heavy stuff. And this feels like metal structure for the heavy duty things. Let me just open all these wheels. So two wheels for the front, two wheels for the back, and this rod for the balancing in the back. The screws and everything are provided. So let me just fix this up or assemble this product. So the overall total height along with the handle is 97 centimeter, width is 46 centimeter, and from the front it is 46 centimeter. And you can store it easily, and it can hold up to 132 lbs. So here, like, you can put in the rod in the back, and then all these screws and the stuff, and put the wheel. So in the manual everything is described, and once you put on the wheels and all these screws and tighten this up, it's good to go. So this have a extra back basket, upgraded sturdy frame, 360-degree swapping front wheels, and the wider steel construction, and also quick folding and take out like anywhere you want. You can use this with the liner, so that you can easily fix. So I put in the liner, and you can see the overall cart along with the liner here. So it can store and have the flap as well, so you can easily take your stuff wherever you want to. In the taking this cart is also good. You can see like the 360-degree swivel wheels, which you can easily take and move anywhere. So easy to handle and easy to take. Overall a nice cart with a folding structure, and you can just fold, unfold quickly and take anywhere.